Now, what city are we in? Keep honking it. Honk that shit. Keep honking that shit. It's coming. It's coming. That shit is coming. It's coming. I'm telling you. It's coming. Emmanuel, it's coming. Keep honk. Huh? Keep. No, it ain't honking. It's letting you know it's coming. Keep honking. No, it ain't. We going honk, honk. Keep honking. Put the flashers on.
I mean, we still got time. These things aren't even flashing yet over here.
But he can still see.
Yeah, he should be able to see.
Fuck this motherfucker. Oh, man. He can't. We can't. We fucking can't, bud. Oh, we can't. We fucking can't, bud. Just put your fucking blinker on.
Turn the wheel to the right, and then we gonna try to push it. I'm telling you, if we have to, we can do it.
Bud, here, bud. This shit is crazy. Here's your phone. Here's your phone. Hey! 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 I'm about to let him know. Hey! Hey! Excuse me, hey, excuse me. My friend thought it was a left turn, and he made a left turn, and he can't get in reverse. He can't get in reverse. Did you hear me? Yeah. Okay. Thank you. All right. I'm not gonna touch it. Watch out! Watch out!
Maybe they can push it.
No, that you gotta talk to him. I don't know.
Hey, excuse me, son.
Watch out! Watch out! He said these tracks are hot. No, it's gonna crush that shit.
We gotta check the track. We gotta go in the track. No. Whose car is this? It's mine. All we have to do is push it like forward, and it'll be in the middle, and then we can take it out.
No, because it's on the top of the tracks.
No, that part is. I'm saying if we push it like this, you know what I'm saying?
No,
See what I'm saying?
it's not gonna work.
Because it's not, the tire's not messed up enough. You run over the tracks up. That's what I'm saying. If I turn the wheel maybe to the right,
What city are we in?
push it out like
Say
that.
what?
What city are we in?
We're in Oakland, CA.
CA, Oakland, California. Oakland, California.
Number 2's found.
Ooh. Let me get my shit out, man.
What happened? I try to go straight back so we're not grinding against the track here. Ready? All right. All right. 1, 2, 3, go.
It's best to use a patrol car, dude. Patrol car.
Keep going. 1, 2, 3.
We got it.
All right, we got it.
We got it.
He has no reverse. You got it.
Thank you. Oh, keep
Oh, yeah,
pushing.
no
keep
reverse.
pushing. Keep, yo. No reverse.
Shove in so you can stop it.
Hey, jump in because it'll roll. Jump in and stop the car
Get in.
from rolling.
Hey, go
away.
ahead and,
Roll.
Put it in drive.
All right.
Get out here.
All right.
I appreciate it, man. Thank you.
Just watch the road instead of navigation.
That shit crazy. Yeah, nothing.
That motherfucking cops helping me. Not asking nothing, no question. After we done got reported, his senses go stopping the motherfucking tracks. Remember? Went to the club and came back out. They trying to be cool. End up in the tracks with the cops actually pulled up.
Lemons, take it some.
All I know is I just feel like I need to do something, man. I don't know.
They got Red Bulls. I told you. That will put you on. Red Bull is the best thing.
I just don't want to put it in glass.
They ain't gonna put it in the glass. They gonna use a can. Oh no. Crazy night. Town business. City life. Chicken and waffles.
Tell me met the nigga too short. Chicken and waffles.
That's usual. That's usual. He always here.
He always here. I
Always.
ain't never seen that nigga though.
Always
But
here.
after the night we had though,
Always here. Always here. Thank you.
come on now, after being stuck in the trail, Willow text though, nigga. Come on now. Shit don't just happen to nigga. Nigga, you gotta pray in the morning. I'm telling you, that's what happened.
Crazy night.
I said one little prayer.
Crazy night.
One little
Wild
prayer.
night.
Whole night. Everything.
Wild
everything.
night.
Every
It's a wild night, dude.
Every little thing that nigga happened wrong, right, so what?
Wild night. Wild night. Really funny hood, though. That was crazy. Lemonade, good lemonade. And excuse me. Tell him. Good lemonade. Sugar. Good lemonade. Sugar.
I'm sorry? We don't do any split checks till after 12. We'll be all on the same check. I'll bring it over for you.
Whatever you do in life, whatever drugs you do, whatever all you do, you gotta control what you do, whatever you look at.
Good lemonade.
It's gonna control you, that's when you fuck up. You know, you fucked up.
That nigga was farm buff ass nigga.
cut.